guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making oysters and barbecue pork omelette, egg for Yong, however you like to call it. That's what I'm making today, guys, and then I'm going to eat it with rice. So I thought, yes, let me film it so we can hang out, guys. Yeah, I'm going to turn on the oven. Oh, rude. I haven't even shown you guys my ingredients. Rude. Anyway, I got onion. I've chopped it up real fine, you know, so it doesn't take long to cook. And I have 10 oysters here. I could be wrong, but I did count 10. Or was it 8? Anyway, so I got the barbecue pork here. Barbecue pork. I like it when they thinly slice it. I don't like the thick one because these old teeth, you know, can't handle this big, thick. Anyway, it comes with the sauce. The sauce. And guys, if you want to make this, then if you get barbecue pork and they give you a sauce, you ask them for extra sauce. Even if they tip it over the pork, don't worry because the sauce will be in the container. So you have half to eat your pork with. Save the other half of the pork and the sauce to put it into your omelette, because the sauce, I'm telling you guys, really makes that nice flavor into the eggs for your omelette, for your egg for Yong. Yeah, anyway, I don't know, but it should be by now everyone has vegeta. It's a powder, right? Most people must have it in their pantry, guys. Now this, if you put a teaspoon, depending on how many eggs you're going to make, then you put the teaspoon, and if you got more eggs, you put a teaspoon and a half. But just be careful because it does have like salt in it, so you don't want it to be too salty. But if you love salt, like my daughter Geneva, that's fine. I got the pepper here, guys, because I like to put pepper in it. Some food, I tell you what, if it doesn't have pepper, it's like something's missing. My dad used to love pepper. Heaps of pepper. And I've got 4 eggs, of course. You can't miss out on the eggs, otherwise it's not a egg for Yong. No. Anyway, guys, I have a smaller pan here because I'm going to be frying the onions, the pork, and the oyster together. And then I'm going to put it aside so I can have a cleaner frying pan for the egg for Yong, because I was gonna fry everything and then put the egg in, but I thought, don't take the risk, because you might end up having you know, those frying pans that will stick your egg, and I don't want to do that in front of you guys, because you guys will go, Faye, that is not an egg for Yong, that is a scrambled egg. Anyway, put a bit of oil in there because you got to fry the onion. Even if it looks like too much oil, guys, don't worry, it all mix in and it's going to be kapow, you know. Okay, here we go. Am I missing something? Nah. Okay, wait for, you know, the gas say it doesn't take long, so I'm going to put in the onion. Yeah, don't embarrass me. Where's the noise? Where's the sizzling noise? Hello. But I don't want it to burn too fast. You know, you gotta let the onion, you know, like cook. I was gonna bring like garlic. But I tell you what, guys, this baguette's got a lot of stuff in it. If my bionic eyes could see the ingredients in there, yep, it's got a lot of stuff. It's got potatoes and carrots and onion and celery, woo, parsley leaves, guys. See, that's what. If you don't have one in your kitchen, guys, get one. Put it in your pantry or your cupboard in your kitchen. It really helps flavor your food, guys. It really does. So vegeta, don't forget the vegeta. Right, the onions cooking nicely. So you put in your pork. Open the handle here. And then I can hold it in case it bounces off, you know. Then you guys see me getting burnt and start cracking up. I want to know who's going to be cracking up. Rude? Nah. Listen guys, and the pork is warming through, and as the pork warms through, you tip in your oysters. Okay? So let me count if I was right. 2, 4, 6, yeah, 8. Woo! I can count like Geneva. Oh, hang on. She miscounted before. But I can count because there's actually 8 in here. So guys, you don't want to really overcook the oysters as well, you know. It's lovely to have raw oysters. Hey, I saw you. Get back in there. I know these bouncing onions, who do they think they are, kangaroos? Just because they are made in Aussie, don't mean they have to jump around. Oh, looks delicious. Looks yummy in my tummy. Anyway, I'm going to get a pepper. Get some pepper in there. A bit more. Oh, if you can smell what Faye's cooking. Sorry, Ross. I'm not trying to take your saint. Oh, ooh, yeah. That's cooked enough. That is cooked enough. Yeah. Yum. Can't wait to dig into that. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna sort out these eggs. Okay. Remember when we were little kids, and my brother wanted to show how he can crack the egg on his head, okay, and it was knocking and knocking. It was so hard that it must have been a goose egg. Anyway guys, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of this into the egg. 1 teaspoon will do. 1, okay. It's pretty salty. Anyway, then I'm gonna put some pepper, because you know the pork and the who's a lefty out there? Yeah, I'm a lefty. I've been a lefty all my life. Yeah, I felt left out because I was the only one in my family that was a lefty. I thought, rude, outcast, black sheep. No. Then my little sister, my younger sister, was born, and she joined the lefty club. Ha ha ha. That's my little sister Esther. And when she came along, she was a lefty. I thought, oh, see, I don't wanna be abandoned. I remember that song when it was popular. Oh, I loved it. I loved it. Anyway, I'm gonna pour the egg now because I can see the flame. When you see this flame, the egg is ready to go in. Whoa. 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 Anyway, so you push the egg in, like that. And then guys, you add your stuff in, okay? Scatter it out, scatter it out. Ooh, sorry, excuse the frying pan, guys. There, and you scatter it out. You know, you let it cook. Oh, this is gonna be the best. The best. Look at it. Look at it. It's cooking deliciously. Cooking deliciously. Cooking deliciously. Oh, my tummy's going, yes, please. Anyway, it's going to be near impossible for me to tip this over. So I've halved the omelette up, right down the middle. So you know, that's how my siblings and I used to. Oh, well. Then you tip it over. Tip it over. Even if it falls off the omelette, who cares? Guys, and you get the sauce and you pour it over. Oh, and I tell you what, it gets warm through. Where are you? It gets warm through, guys, and it's gonna be the bomb. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at that. Hello, there we are. It's all cooked, ready for my plate. And the oyster. And then, guys, you end up chopping this. Be careful not to cut your hand. Even though I have a big meat board here, it's alright. Like I told you guys before, always stand by with your ambulance on speed dial, just in case. So you put all your cucumber on the side here. I wish you can capture this. Look, guys. Yeah. Now, I like praise mayonnaise, and this one is ranch dressing. So I just want to pour a little bit over the cucumber, and then I'm going to do my prayer, guys. I hope you guys got something nice to eat. But anyway, if you don't, here's yours. I just hope not to get burnt. This is a never fail omelette. This is an oyster. I had some of that barbecue pork over it. That's what you do, guys. You save a bit of that soy sauce that you get from the barbecue pork. Make your omelette, you pour it over. So delicious. My daughter Metua, she always loved to have the gravy on top of the omelette. Each to their own. I mean, I like it like that too. But if you have that sauce, you save it and pour it over after you make it. I can taste a lot of pepper too. I hope you guys are having nice food to eat. Enough to eat. What's this? You know what this looks like? This looks like one of those things. If you're from New Zealand and you stand on a prickle, yeah, that's what it looks like. Where did it come from? Rude. Must be another one. Oh, it must be a like a herb or something. Dried herb. Just, it's a good thing to have in your pantry. I know most of you guys must have it, but you know, if you don't, Just get your little one to start off with. If you like it, then you can get the big one. If you get the big one, that's because you like to cook all the time and this come handy. Yeah. The other night I was watching YouTube. I like to go around and watch YouTube and show my support to YouTubers. It's an oyster. Yum. Sometimes I feel my mouth is not very nice. Yeah, I love oysters. The other night I was watching YouTube and it was about half past 11 at night, so I thought, oh, I better go to sleep because I like to wake up early sometimes. Not a weekend. I love to sleep in, but weekend is like the time for us to go and pay our bills. But anyway, so it was half past 11. I thought, better get some shut eye, you know. And then I see a comment on my old videos, and the comment was from YT with the line down the bottom, laser mount. So I saw RT laser mount has said the most underrated mukbang YouTuber, and I thought, what does that mean? Did this person just say something mean to me? And I thought, no, you know. Anyway, I just carry on eating because my food's going to get cold. Ooh, oyster. So, I thought, okay, I'm going to Google it and see what it means, you know. So, I Googled up the meaning. So I can't Google up the meaning of it. I said, a definition of the word underrated is something that has not received the merit and recognition or praise it deserves, right? And I sat up. I was lying down. I was lying down when I looked up the word. And you know, I sat up and I thought, oh. And you know what? I didn't even realize that a tear had fallen down. A tear had fallen down and my heart was warming up like, this is the nicest thing. I tell you what, I was shocked. I was humbled, shocked, and I didn't think that anyone would think of my channel like that. Man, it was so touching. And yeah, anyway, it really warmed my heart. So thank you so much, LT Laser Mount. Thank you very, very much, because wow, I get so many lovely supportive comments from all you guys. But I really didn't expect that. I really didn't, you know. And I thought, oh, I can go to sleep happy, you know. Anyway, I said my thanks to God before I went to sleep. And I thanked Him for sending me this nice message. Because I try and do as much as I can to, you know, bring up stuff for you guys can watch. I'm not everyone's cup of tea. I mean, I understand that. Because there's so many out there that I'll see their YouTube and I think, oh well, that's not really for me, so I won't watch it. So today's. But anyway, because it's true, I'm not everyone's cup of tea, but when someone comes into your to your video, your channel, and say something like that. It's like, that's really, really like boost. You guys send so much love, not only to me, but to so many channels out there. So, thank you everyone for your followers' love, you know, and uplift and supportive words. That really means a lot to me and all the other polytubers and all the other YouTubers that you guys go and send love to. So God bless you all for your followers' kindness, kind words, supportive words. Thank you. I was so shocked, you know. So the next day I rang my daughter and I said, guess what? This person said that I was the most underrated, and I thought it was they were saying something bad to me. My daughter goes, no. I thought, do you even know what it means, Sharon? Anyway, it was just nice. It was just very touching. When I'm answering your father's comments, sometimes I just laugh out of nowhere, and my husband's watching TV. I'm trying not to talk with my mouth full. Anyway, I just laugh out of nowhere, and my husband shoots his head over. Like, very Faye, I'm watching TV. Anyway, so he goes, like, when my husband wants to know something, he twists his nose like, and I go, nosy? No, I'm just reading the comments of the viewers. Yeah, no, that's really, really nice. It's like you guys are my family, you know. It's really nice. I have really good family members that watches, and I thank them too. You know, I'm happy that they take the time to watch their auntie. And my cousins that watch. And my in-laws that watch. And my siblings that watch. It's good. It's good. It's really uplifting. So, thanks guys. Thank you so much. I have the best viewers. So, if you guys go leaving good comments to other channels, it really, you know, like helps them. Some people don't comment back. They give you a heart, right? Which is nice. At least they acknowledge that they read your comment. Most of the time they read all your comments. But, you know, maybe just chuck in a heart. That'd be nice. Even to heart everything. I don't know if they read it all. Oh, look at the oyster. Here's another oyster. Now, yeah. It's funny how I thought it was a bad comment that person left me, and it turned out to be a really beautiful comment. It really did. It really made me feel so special. I know, not that special, but you know, special, special. Mm. Mm. I'm still drinking my cake and water, guys. It's really helped me with my asthma. Cake and water. I used to want to use the puffer like twice a day, but now I don't even use my puffer because of the cake and water. So, did you guys watch my video of my tuna? Oh, it was delicious, delicious. My daughter that bought it for me, she didn't have any kittens when she was at the fish market in town, in the city, in Sydney City. But she soon regretted it when she saw the video. She wanted to go back to the fish market and get some. That's what you get. Sharon Lee. Wow. Mengai, e mawa e pa ele ka fa ko menyo kina ave fari. Me, when I go somewhere and the food is really nice, I always eat there and I pack some to take home. Oh, never fail. My husband and I, we used to go out Bankstown, we used to go and have noodle soup. It's the old side of Bankstown, because we used to live out in Bankstown. But when we moved down here, we always missed it. So we used to go there, eat soup, and then after that I'll go to my, there's several, but there's always one bakery that I like buying my pork roll from. It's the one right next to this little park where everyone goes to play Chinese checkers or whatever. So I go there and I buy like 3 or 4 pork rolls. And on the way home, like I think I just put my seatbelt on the way home, I get my sugarcane drink and my pork roll and I start eating it. And my husband's looking at me like, beautiful, where do you put it all? Oh, that rhymed. Anyway, he looks at me and he giggles and I go, well, yeah, I'm going, my mouth full. He goes, no, I'm just thinking, you're just a little person, but you eat a lot. And I go, can you just focus on the road before we crash? He's right. He's right. Hello. Leave me alone to eat, enjoy my pork roll. No, I can't help it. The pork roll is so lovely. I know, we just finished the soup and then I'm going to get pork roll. Well, it was yummy. That's all I can say. So anyway guys, you all lot. Don't forget to subscribe, please share my video out, and tell your family and friends, come and hang out with your Auntie Faye, and we'll hang out, and we'll cook together, we'll eat together, we'll yap together. What in hell? This cucumber really goes with this, and the ranch sauce, it's nice for the cucumber. Okay? Put this together and enjoy your lunch. Wait, Laura. Take care. Thank you guys. You guys are most awesome really. For lako fako. Fako. Good for you. Bye guys. That's for you guys will take care. Don't forget, share my video out. And tell all your family and friends, come and hang out with me. Anyway, then we all hang out together as a group. But for now, take care. Kia maniwea. Bye everyone. And if you're my family, talofa. Oh, kia ora ana too. If my sister-in-law is watching, and Ngere, and my brother-in-law, hello. I miss you guys. I miss you guys. I can't wait for this COVID to finish so we can all hang out. Meet up in Rarotonga. Whāsai fua.